How to change your address in Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change your address in Temu app. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Temu app with your account. After you open Temu app, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom, tap on View. From your profile section, tap on the option Addresses. From here, you can find a lot of address if you have already added, or you can also add a new address. Simply tap on that add a new address option. After you tap on that, simply provide your first name and last name, your address, your phone number as usual. Check the option or agree the permission and tap on save. After you tap on that, you'll be able to add that location or address. After that, if you want to re-edit or re-add, simply you can tap on the edit option, and from there you can simply change your address or you can add new address on Temu. After updating your address, ensure you save the changes to make confirm for the updates. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.